Is Agrasen ki Baoli really haunted? In ancient India, water temples were built to reserve water. Step wells are India's most unique but lesser known architectural techniques. The word step well literally translates to Baudi or Bauli in Hindi language. The brilliantly built Agrasen ki Baoli has been an exemplary example of such work and hence attracts many historians and tourists lately. Agrasen ki Baoli, allegedly built by King Agrasen of Agroha of Solar dynasty in Mahabharata era, Agrasen ki Baoli stands near the heart of New Delhi, that is Connaught Place. The Baoli is believed to be repaired by the Agrawal community, which traces its origin to Maharaja Agrasen in the 14th century, that is during Tughlaq period. It was perhaps built to cater to supply of water in the city and as a resting place for travelers. It has an unconventional structure as compared to Baolis around Delhi. Architecture. Baoli or Baudi, which is a Hindi word, refers to steps. Agrasen ki Baoli has a very unique architecture with 104 steps. The architecture is synonymous to that of Mughal era architecture. 60-meter long and 15-meter wide steps consist of 3 levels. Each level is marked by arches on both sides and chambers. Agrasen ki Baoli was designated a protected monument by Archaeological Survey of India (ASI) under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act of 1958. Is Agrasen ki Baoli haunted? The Baoli has been placed among top 10 haunted places in India. Many visitors have recently reported an unusual atmosphere down in Baoli. The dried up Baoli had water a few decades ago and hence was a site for suicide for many troubled souls. The water of Baoli was allegedly filthy and dark colored. It is believed that the dreary Baoli used to compel people to commit suicide and raise its water level. A number of people drowned to death and eventually the Baoli became haunted. Now the Baoli has dried up and is a place for screaming bats and cooing pigeons, which adds up to the gothic spirit. However, it is no more a secluded place as a lot of young people are attracted to the calm of this historic monument. We can say it has become a hub for heritage walkers, poets and recreational clubs, which in turn put the whole idea of Baoli being haunted into question. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.